Alright, so you have a wall clock you got for your birthday as a gift. It lasts a few months and not working. Stick around, watch this video. I'll show you what is the problem and how to fix it. Alright, so your birthday gift not working anymore, right? And you don't want to throw it away because it has sentimental values and you want it to work again. So to fix this, what you need is battery and a new engine. Alright, the tools, screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and a pliers. Right, so to fix this now, turn this on the back and you have to get rid of the old engine. Now to get to the old engine, there's some screws that you remove that hold the clock and the body together. So I will unmove these screws. Right, so the next step now is to remove the cover, the back cover. So you lift it like this. The rest is aside. Now the next step now is to remove the hands. Alright, so what you need to do is be very careful because this is very thin and it will bend up and damage and it will spoil the whole thing. So you need two fingers, you need nails, you put it between like this and you pull it up. Just like that. Alright, so we have a problem right here. When I take out the hand, right, this pop out. This little ring pop out. Now what's happen this ring is to reduce the size of the hole in this hand. And it's this one attached, as you can see. And this one come out. Now I try putting it back in, but I don't know if it might stay. It's slack. They're not holding. So in a situation like this, there's only one thing left to do. I will not use this original hands. I will use this one instead. So the next step now is have a nut here to remove. Just remove it. Use your pliers. Now you have to be careful in using pliers. You don't want to press or scratch. Remove this, then the spacer. And then the old one. Right, so this is the old one. Now to install the new one, you're making sure the battery stay downwards. Alright, so this is the battery pad, making sure it stay downwards. My mistake. Alright, so this one can fit in properly because it have two tiny pins on both sides, preventing it from settling properly. As you can see, the old one, it had the holes for the pins to go in, so I'll have to remove these and get back to you. Alright, so I done remove the two pins. Take your pliers. Now you want to make sure you ain't tighten too tight, but just tight enough. Right, now install back the hands. Alright, so now that I installed, the next step is to make sure the hand ain't touching on each other. So either drop or raise. Install the battery. Make sure it's working. And there you have it. So I put on back the glass piece. Now we're gonna make sure whenever you screw up these screws, you don't over tighten it, because if you over tighten it, it will damage the threading. And if the threading not damage, the screw will be able to hold it on. And there you have it, how to save your birthday gift for another few years perhaps. As always, thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your clock repairs.